Next we are discussing integration 1 to infinity log x to the power m divided by x power n dx, where n comma n belongs to natural number and n is not equal to 1. So this integration we have to do. So first thing is what? This one we are writing as integration of 1 to infinite log x to the power is what? M, and this one we are writing x power minus n dx. So first thing is what? This integration we are assuming is what? I of m comma n. Okay, m is what? Log x power, and x power is what? Minus n. So from here we are taking n, and m comma n belongs to natural number, n is not equal to 1. Okay, so we have to integrate this one. Okay, so what you will do here we will use by part. So for by part we need one integrating function, one differentiating function. So here this one integration is not possible, but this one integration we can do easily. So this one will take integrating function. So here we will use by part formula. So I of m comma n equal to differentiating function is as it is, that means log x to the power m is as it is. This one integration what will become x power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1. Limit is what? 1 to infinite. Limit is 1 to infinite minus integration of 1 to infinite. This one differentiation. So what will become m into log x to the power is what? M minus 1. Then log x differentiation what will become? Into 1 by x. Then integration of x power minus n is what? X power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1 dx. This will come. So what will come here? I of m comma n equal to integration of, so this one what will come? Log x to the power m. This one we can add x power n minus 1, and this is what? 1 minus n. Limit is 1 to infinite minus, this is what? M, and 1 minus n is what? Outside. M divided by 1 minus n is what? Outside. Integration of 1 to infinite log x power is what? M minus 1, and this is what? 1 by x, and this is what? X power minus n plus 1. So this will come out x power minus n dx. This will come. Okay, so what will come here? I of m comma n. Now here if you put infinite, x is infinite, if you put, so log infinite, so this will come infinite power m divided by infinite power n minus 1. So this is coming indeterminate form. So whenever if you put limit and indeterminate form will come, then we will use limit. So if you put x equal to infinity, then what will come? 1 divided by 1 minus n is outside. Limit x tending to infinite log x to the power m divided by x power n minus 1 minus. If you put 1 here, so log 1 is what? 0. So 0 power m is what? 0 only, divided by 1 power n minus 1 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is what? 1 minus n is what? Constant. So 0 divided by some value will come. So this is 0 minus, this is m. From here we take minus common. So minus 1 is common. What will come here? N minus 1. Integration 1 to infinite log x to the power m minus 1 x power minus n dx. So what we can add this way? Okay, so I of m comma n is what? This one. Now here instead of m we are putting m minus 1, and n is as it is. So what is I of m minus 1 comma n is what? Integration 1 to infinity log x power what will become? M minus 1, and x power is what? Minus n dx. Correct? So this integration we can add what? I of m minus 1 comma n. Okay, this one is as it is. Okay, so here what will come? This value we are finding first. So this one we are solving here. Log x to the power is what? M divided by x power n minus 1 limit x tending to infinity. So first we are solving this one, limit x tending to infinity log x to the power m divided by x power n minus 1. Okay, m comma n belongs to natural number and n is not equal to 1. So if you put infinity here, so log infinity, so infinity power m divided by infinity power n minus 1. So we can say this is indeterminate form, infinite by infinite form. For solving this one we can use L'Hopital rules. According to L'Hopital rules, we have to differentiate numerator and denominator also. So what will come here? Limit x tending to infinite log x to the power m differentiate what will come? M into log x to the power is what? M minus 1 into 1 by x. Log x differentiate what? 1 by x divided by x power n minus 1 differentiate what will come? N minus 1 into x power is what? N minus 2. So this will go on limit x tending to infinite m divided by n minus 1 log x to the power what will come m minus 1 and x power what will come n minus 2 into x is what x power n minus 1. Then again if you put infinite, so log infinite is what infinite divided by infinite. So again indeterminate form is coming, infinite by infinite form. Then again differentiate, so limit x tending to infinite m divided by n minus 1 is as it is. This one differentiate what will come m minus 1 into log x to the power m minus 2 and log x differentiate into 1 by x divided by x power n minus 1 differentiate what will come n minus 1 into x power n minus 2. So this will come out limit x tending to infinite m into m minus 1 divided by n minus 1 whole square log x to the power is what m minus 2 divided by x power what will come n minus 1. Correct? Then again if you put x value infinite here, so infinite by infinity will come. Okay, again it is coming infinite by infinity form. Okay, so here you see first term this one, then first term differentiate we'll get this term, then again differentiate we'll get this one. If you analyze these three terms, numerator is what log x to the power is what m, then if you see in this term log x to the power is what m minus 1 and in this term you see log x to the power is what m minus 2. That means from numerator we are decreasing the power. First is what m, then m minus 1, then what is coming m minus 2. Now if you check denominator is what x power is what n minus 1 and here also what will come x power n minus 1 and here also x power n minus 1. That means denominator x power is what constant only, it is n minus 1 always. So we can say that if you apply L'Hopital rules, denominator is what x power n minus 1 is always same will come but numerator power will decrease. Okay, so if you apply here, so here if you apply L'Hopital rules, so this one power is what decreasing, so m minus 2 is coming, then what will come m minus 3, then m minus 4 will come, but this one will come as it is. So here if you apply L'Hopital rules, m times, why we are applying m times? If you apply m times, so here what will come m minus m will come, so log x power will come 0, so it will become what 1, so numerator will become some constant, it will become divided by x power n minus 1. So that limit we can do easily. So if we apply L'Hopital rules m times, then what will come limit x tending to infinite. So here what will come m into m minus 1 into m minus 2 and so on, it will come till 2 into 1 will come, and this will come what n minus 1 to the power what will come m will come, because you are applying L'Hopital rules m times. Okay, so because if you apply 1 time, so you will get n minus 1, if you apply 2 times, so n minus 1 square, so m times what will come n minus 1 to the power m will come, and here what will come log x to the power what 0 and x power what will come n minus 1. Okay, so limit x tending to infinite, see m into m minus 1, this is a value only m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m. So this is what some constant is there. So k log x power is what 0 is what 1 divided by what will come x power n minus 1. Now here some constant divided by x power n minus 1 and x is tending to infinity. So if you put infinity, so some constant divided by infinite, so that will come what 0. So this is what 0. So you are applying limit here, this value will come out 0. So 0 into anything is what 0. So what is I of m comma n? This is 0 minus 0, that means 0 only, minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So m divided by n minus 1 will come m divided by n minus 1 I of m minus 1 comma n. This will come. Suppose if you want to find out this one, so I of m minus 1 comma n. So what will come here? M minus 1 as it is divided by n minus 1 I of m minus 2 comma n will come. Then if you find out I of m comma 2, I of m minus 2 comma n. So what will come here? M minus 2 divided by n minus 1 I of m minus 3 comma n. This will come. Okay, so like that we can find out. So how to write I of m comma n? So first will come out m divided by n minus 1, m divided by n minus 1. Then I of m minus 1 comma n. So what is I of m minus 1 comma n? This one, m minus 1 divided by n minus 1, m minus 1 divided by n minus 1 into I of m minus 2 comma n. So I of m minus 2 comma n is what? M minus 2 divided by n minus 1. M minus 2 divided by n minus 1. Then I of m minus 3 comma n. So what will come here? M minus 3 divided by n minus 1. So till here it will continue what? When this is what? Decreasing till 0. Okay. So here what will come? 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay. I of what will come? M minus m comma n. This will come. So here what will come? I of m comma n is what? M into m minus 1 into m minus 2 till what? 1. So this will come what? M factorial. N minus 1, n minus 1, n minus 1. How many times we are multiplying it? M times. So n minus 1 to the power m will come. How m will come? Because here what? See, 1 time is coming n minus 1, then minus 1 is coming. 2 times coming, then n minus 1 into n minus 1 will come. 3 times coming, then n minus 1 into n minus 1 into n minus 1. N minus 1 cube will come. So here m times we are increasing. So here what will come? N minus 1 to the power m will come. And I of m minus I of 0 comma n. So what is I of 0 comma n? I of 0 comma n. So I of m comma n equal to m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m integration of I of 0 comma n. So here first term is 0 and this is n. So this will be what? Log x power is what? 0 and this one is what? X power minus n only. So integration what will come? 1 to infinite x power what will come? Minus n dx. This will come. Okay. I of m comma n will come what? I of m comma n equal to m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m integration 1 to infinity x power minus n dx. So this one integration what will come? X power minus n plus 1 divided by minus n plus 1. Limit is what? 1 to infinite. So this will come out I of m comma n equal to m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m. From here 1 minus 1 is what? Outside. And this will come out 1 divided by x power n minus 1, 1 to infinite. So this will come out I of m comma n equal to m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m. From here we can take minus 1 common and what will come? N minus 1. Here if I put first upper limit infinite, so 1 divided by infinite is what? 0 minus if you put lower limit 1, so 1 divided by 1 is what? 1 will come. So this will come out I of m comma n equal to m factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m into n minus 1. So this will be get n minus 1 to the power m plus 1 minus 1 into minus 1. So what will come? Plus 1. So this is your answer. So integration of this one is what? M factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m plus 1. So this one integration we can write what? M factorial divided by n minus 1 to the power m plus 1. This is your answer.